तो नेक्स्ट है हमारा percentage or proportion method of velocity measurement. So we are discussing the methods of measuring velocity of demand, how to measure the velocity of demand. We have already discussed the point method or geometric method. Now, today we will take the next method, that is percentage or proportionate method. Proportionate method of measuring elasticity of demand. Percentage or proportionate method of measuring elasticity of demand. So how to measure the elasticity of demand with the help of the percentage method or proportionate method? It is very simple. We have already discussed this method when we were discussing the meaning of elasticity of demand. According to proportionate or percentage method. Percentage method. The elasticity of demand, the elasticity of demand is measured by the percentage change in quantity demand of a good, quantity demand of a good, quantity demand of a good due to percentage change in price, or in other words, elasticity of demand is percentage or proportionate change. Proportionate change in quantity demand divided by percentage or proportionate change in price. Percentage or proportionate change in price. That is, elasticity of demand is equal to, according to percentage method, percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. Or we can say elasticity of demand is equal to proportionate change in quantity demand divided by proportionate change in price. So write down this much. It is percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. Come on. Okay, before. So this is very easy to understand that according to percentage or proportionate method, The elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand of a good due to percentage change in price or proportionate change in price. So with the help of this equation, we can say that elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. So we can write down it. We have already discussed this case, how to measure the elasticity of demand. So elasticity of demand is equal to delta Q by Q into 100. So this is percentage change in quantity demand divided by delta P by P into 100. 100 and 100 will get cancelled. Here it becomes elasticity of demand is equal to delta Q by Q upon delta P by P. So this is proportionate change in quantity demand divided by proportionate change in price. Therefore, we can write down elasticity of demand is equal to, we can make some operation to this equation, delta Q by Q into P by delta P. So we can make the reciprocal of this denominator P by delta P. When we change this division into multiplication, we use the reciprocal of the denominator here. Thus, ED is equal to delta Q by delta P into P upon Q. So this is the final method, final formula for calculating the elasticity of demand by percentage or proportionate method. Change in quantity demand divided by change in price into price divided by quantity. Original price divided by original quantity, where we can say that this, where Q is quantity demand, P is price, delta is change. So this is all about the percentage or proportionate method of measuring elasticity of demand. Thank you very much all about this.